let me know. What's going on, everyone? Chris Jarzik, your Southwest Florida realtor with MVP Realty, coming to you from Stonewater, located in beautiful Cape Coral, Florida. If you're familiar, I've done a bunch of videos here in Stonewater. I will throw those home tours in the description box below. Feel free, click on a couple links and go check those out. Today we are going to check out the Clifton Model. I actually just got the new updated list. This Clifton is a manager's special, it says right here at the top. They are offering this Clifton, which will be complete in February, for $419,999. The Clifton is 1,800, a little bit over 1,800 square feet, 3-bedroom, 2-bath, and I don't know if you can see it, this one is on a lake. It has a lake view. So manager's special on this Clifton. Not going to edit this one, we're just going to run in and check it out, so let's roll. As you can see, paver driveway. We've got 2-car garage, and since we're on a bit of a corner here, you do have a little bit of an extra yard on the side because it does have a pie shape to it. So let's roll this way. This one is a slightly different elevation. They offer a few different elevations. This one has the stonework in the front. Sometimes they won't have stone. They'll just have standard stucco from, base to the top there. But let's come on in. We've got plank tile, which is going to be pretty much in your main areas. Coming in here, we've got bedroom number 1, fairly standard size, nice natural light that comes in, and a nice closet. This would make a very nice den if you did not have the need for that bedroom. Coming in here, now mind you, there's no electric. They'll be putting that on shortly. As I said, this one's going to be complete in February. Guest bathroom 1, we've got granite top, got a tub and shower combo, and obviously your plank tile. And then coming in here, bedroom number 2. Also, you can see there's 5¼ inch moldings. We've got higher ceilings in here, and we have nice brand new energy efficient windows. They are not impact windows. This will have hurricane protection. It will have the storm panels. Coming down the hall. Garage entry here. They'll be throwing that door in. There are your hurricane panels there. Right here is going to be where your AC system is. So it won't be in the garage. It will be a stand-up system. It'll attach here, be in the base, so if any AC repair is needed, they'll come in here versus being either in the attic or in the garage, and it gives you a little bit of extra space in the garage. Oh, and sorry, storage. And another storage here for winter coats that you'll never need if you come to Florida. Open kitchen, as you can see, nice granite top. Very large pantry. You can put all the snacks and goodies and appliances that you use once a year. Subway tile set up here. They have obviously applied it, but they haven't done their grout yet, so they'll be coming back to do that. If you've not seen the process of a home build, let me know. I can always shoot a time-lapse video of that, possibly. Inside laundry. So it's going to be right off the kitchen. And then we have the owner's suite here. So back in that corner, you will see that there is a large walk-in closet there. And out back, as we were talking, you do have the lake view. So no neighbors behind you. Coming into the primary bathroom, dual sinks. We've got water closet there. We've got some extra storage in here, as well as another large walk-in closet. And your walk-in shower with shower seat. So we'll head on out back real quick. Now keep in mind, this one is going to be available in February. Unfortunately, you won't be able to add, if you wanted to, this tile to the bedrooms that are here. That's going to be added in, that's going to have carpet. Although with this being a brand new home, I'm sure you could find this tile and go ahead and add it afterwards. There are a few things that builders, you can do during the process, but since this one's very far along and it's almost complete, you can't make that change, in the latter stages. In the beginning of a build, you can make a change like that, or you can opt for tile throughout, or even carpeting in here. It all depends on your budget. Let's see. And as you can see, we talked about earlier, you have a nice water view here at Stonewater. As you can see also, we have our pie-shaped lot. You've got a little bit less water frontage, but since this is not a Gulf access or a usable, lake, you can't put a watercraft or anything out here. The pie doesn't really matter. You do have a little bit of extra yard space as opposed to the houses that are along that side there. They're gonna have pretty much the same space as you would on a standard dry lot. Now, if you have any questions on Stonewater, the Clifton model, or any of the other models available in here, just sat with the builder, went over a bunch of incentive packages with them. They are offering a lot of nice mortgage incentives, closing costs being paid up to a certain point. I myself am also offering a buyer's incentive. So if you would like more information on those items, feel free to give me a call or shoot me a text. My number is 239-823-1685. Thank you for watching today's home tour, and I'll see you on the next one.